Good evening. Yeah, we are in live now. So yes, okay. One more. Want to change the thumbnail, I guess. It's too bad. Hi, Leander. Okay, it's gonna be like random live. So we might talk, uh, chat with strangers, like subscribers. Okay? Just updating my thumbnail so we could do. I think this is good. This is far more. So we're gonna have a chat today. Volume increase பண்ணணும். It's already pretty high. எல்லாமே higher. ஓ கேட்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஓகே என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க? ஓகே ஆஸ் யூஷுவல் நம்ம யூடியூப்ல மட்டும் ஸ்விட்ச் லைவ் பண்ணல, ஆல்சோ இன் ட்விச், ஆல்சோ இன் லைவ் ஸ்ட்ரீம் கிக் செக் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். Is it like working? It's not a live reading. Okay. So if like யாராச்சும் பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தீங்கன்னா, if you have any questions, you can ask, you can talk, you can talk things about trading, economics, like something, anything that money, right? Yeah. Okay. So everything was working pretty good, fine. So okay, I'll just make sure the hello, hello, money, கேக்குதா கேக்குது. Okay, so எதுக்கு இந்த meet? Um, at least to get some views, you know, viewers to talk with, and what we're gonna do here, we're gonna check markets. Okay, if we got any analysis, we can talk about that. And you know, Trump got ceasefire. He got ceasefire for like 2 weeks with Iran, and I think that pretty much war was almost here. Yeah, okay, Leander. Um, so from this week, we might not know like the war was not ended. It just wasn't a ceasefire, right? We'll see what might happen. Really working. Okay. Okay, cool. So, um, இதுக்கு முன்னாடி okay. So I used to posting signals in Telegram. Like, do it because I I'm gonna stop it for pause it for maybe a month or a couple of months depends. Okay. So why I'm going to stop it? Because I plan to do some um, to achieve something. Okay, so in trading itself, அதனால I can't able to like before that I want to fully focus on building stuff, strategies. I'll also share it with you guys once that was confirmed, and also like um, if I back tested clearly. Okay, yeah. So that's why um, you can see here. Yeah, this is our Telegram channel. Okay, so we used to post signal, but we gonna stop for a while. So if you find something useful, you can join, get updated. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much. And so you can see here, this is a web page, like it's a AI which watches your emotion while you trade. So guys, I also started using it. So it's basically, let's say most of the traders facing audio too low. Hello, how do I increase it? So I'm gonna use my, I think my cam or better. Yeah, so, yeah. So in this live, okay, okay. So yeah, okay, Prashant. Good. So what we talking about was, என்ன பேசிட்டு இருந்தோம்னா D-trade capital. Let's say people used to trade. I'm trading பண்றேன், and also a lot of people in Tamil Nadu, in India, everyone used to trade. Sometimes you might get a little bit of noises from outside of the road streets, okay, like vehicles. You guys can just adjust. Okay. So since I'm not posting any videos, like it's been weekly, I'm posting one video. So I'll try to manage it to go, like, um, increase it, because I can't able to post any. I don't have any content actually, and so we built this site. Um, you can see thousands of traders. Let's say not only thousands. I mean thousands of traders, um, per, let's say, per minute, something like that. Okay, so in forex itself, only in forex, $7 trillion வந்து trade பண்றாங்க, but 90 percentage of them was losing the money, right? And that's why this platform will solve your problem. Let's say நீங்க வந்து a lot of, um, EAs try பண்ணிருப்பீங்க, you might try EA or any strategies or any AI algorithms using Claude to let's say, to know, predict the stocks, whether it go ups or down, right? Everyone want it. So every trader in this world focus on how the market moves, whether it goes up or down. You can see literally, Trump was yesterday posted a news, called like he's gonna do, uh, let's say he gonna, um, let's say of wipe out the civilization in Iran. And you know, when the war begins, that gold was, gets into the peak. Okay, so when the market opens next day, it was almost 1,000 pips higher, right? So we also cover the newses, okay, and people's, what people's miss, let's say trade பண்றவங்க, whoever trades, uh, miss those kind of newses, and they revenge trade, over trading, and then they just totally blindly trust other profitable traders. Of course there are mentors who can help you for trading, right? But blindly trusting the mentors might not help you.
And I used to have a friend that he also like um, which is like he's in a schoolmate. Uh, Hi Gokulan, big fan of. Thank you. So yeah, since we are in very um, not consistent posting live, at least um, my homies giving me some chats. That's really fine. Yeah. So what is about? Um, can we get look into what's here happening? Okay. Yeah, yeah. Thank you. Thank you. So let's get in here. So if you just log in, like it's for all traders, retail traders who gonna invest in stock market or who do let's say FNO futures. Okay, so anyone can use um, this AI. Okay, so what it's exactly gonna do, guys? We like this platform solves the real problem. Let's say I for example, you can see I have opened a lot of trading view platforms here, and I also opened the Forex Factory calendar here. And if you just open here, you already have a trading view here. And if you just go to the intelligence page and the calendar, you can have the today's calendar already, right? You can see here there is so it also mentioned low, like is it that particular news is high or low, medium, so you can avoid that particular currencies. Okay, so it's gonna help you save you time. And also the news, as I mentioned, you can get all the global news here. Okay, not only the economical news, also tech. And also you can see here right now it's showing Intel stock jumps on tech startup, and Wall Street opens higher after US Iran ceasefire. So this is very much important. These kind of news are really help you to understand how the markets are like it's gonna move on next day or next hour, right? So right, these all like it's everything was updated day to day newses. You can also switch for yesterday newses. Okay, so everything is easily accessible. Okay, you don't need to go for any websites or any separate websites to get into the updated of newses every day. Okay, it's simple like. And signal which is it's not exactly telling you to buy or sorry, it's not exactly telling you to buy or sell. Okay, so signal is based on, we use an algorithm that gonna um, let's say using those all newses every day in particular period of time, and gives you whether in long term the XAUSD is gonna be a buy or sell direction. Okay, right now it's in a buy direction. You can see here. And also if you just go there and if you just go here, like it was like not exactly I can guarantee, but it was almost pretty much. Okay, you can see. So last few weeks it was in a buy direction. Okay, so this is how our signal is going to help you. So it's not just exactly so you when to buy or when to sell. In a long term, if you go for the higher time frame, even if you go for a 1 hour time frame, you can see here from the March 23, almost 10 days it was in a um, uptrend, right? Yeah, that is all pretty much. Okay, so gold is in a buy, and you can see euro USD. Let's check euro USD in a sell direction. Let's see how it works. Oh, like, okay. So here you can see I have just switched into euro USD, and there is like 1 hour candle, and let's go for 4 hour. So you can see how this we are taking from, like, if we take from March 26 as usual. So when in long term it was in a downtrend. Okay, so by this March and April it was like consolidating, but still it's not break the you mean it's not change the market shift at the higher time frame. Okay, so it's still in the game. That is how it works. The signals, it's not fully gives you let's say where to entry. Okay, it just gives you what is the confidence level that you can able to buy or sell in a long term. Okay, so once you get into refresh these newses and you get it back to the maps, you can literally see that if any wars or any missiles attacks or anything that affects the economic quickly, you will be get updated here. Okay, so when you see here, this will turn totally into red, and you can see here what happening, what is the news exactly what's gonna happen, and that gonna affect what currency. You can also see here that gonna affect what currency, euro USD, or if you just click here and you can see what is the particular news, and that news going to affect what currency. So this will give you a very good understanding about the economy. Okay, so you don't have to go through any like everyday AI, let's say AI newses, or to get updated on a lot of websites. Okay, so we also need a feedback, like if anyone was watching. So we also need a feedback that you can feel free to share in the comments, like what could be the features that as a trader, as a client, so you think that this will make a better product. Okay, and what it's exactly going to solve in future. So let's say you are trading. Okay, so I'm trading, I'm gonna trade, I'm gonna getting like revenge trader. Okay, so if you go if you go here, pattern insights, you can see build a pattern unlocks at one trade. So if you start trading here, it's all it's gonna track our process. Okay, track our every single trade, and it's gonna give us analysis of how we are trading. Are we a revenge trader, or are we doing, like, are we doing bad or good, something like that. Okay, and then we're gonna do a lot of improvement in here, so that people's, like, this product, this product is gonna save you tons of thousands of dollars. Okay, um like, this product is gonna be a future, I know it. So yeah, soon it's gonna be executed. I'm also looking for, like, we are also looking for seed investors to, you know to build this model way much better. Okay, and also, yeah, let's say a person was having you know here you can see here, I'll show you exactly. So I don't want to, like, can I show this? Wait. So there is a I think he is from New Zealand or something. In Instagram, he reached out to me and he asked me that, are you doing good, like, in trading? So I told him, like, yeah, I learned pretty much. I'm doing pretty well. Like, I'm not in a, like, losing phase. I'm already in a profitable area. Doing good, slow and good. Yeah. So I just really want to show you what was peoples are facing. Really, really. So that will definitely help. Okay. So let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna just. So I don't wanna show his user ID. So I'll just take some screenshots here. Okay. So that it's their privacy. So I don't want to show it. Wait. So here, almost. Let's take a screenshot. Let's just. Okay. Right. What happened? Yeah, we just got the pic. So I'll just show you on a screenshot itself. So this is what really peoples are like trying to solve here. So hope you can. It is visible, right? So it's my channel to show my results to clients. Yeah, I shared my channel to him, and how are you doing? What strategy do you use? Just curious. So I asked what strategy did he used, and just price action and pullbacks, liquidity hunts on gold and NAS futures, something like that. He did futures, I guess, and he also worked on gold. And he just used price action. Price action is good, but just price action and pullbacks is very basic. So I thought like he wanted to learn more, and like so trading is not your only source of income you make. And I gave free signals, and yeah, for now, yeah, for now that's only my source of income, because YouTube is not working well, social media is not getting me viral. So that's the only hope. And absolutely amazing. And I'm 5 years in, like, he lost 27,000 euros. Okay, so this is exactly what I'm trying to say. So he lost in 5 years 27,000 euro. So at the end he learned just losses, just loss of 27,000 euro. And what he learned, what is the use of learning after losing 27,000 euro? It's, I know it's pretty normal in trading. I know it's pretty normal. And you know, even though if it came to my mind, like I was really solving this problem, how to reduce the losses, how to prevent these losses. So that's why we came to this, So that's really sad, man, why this happened. And he showed me some of his results, like, and that setup was taking DSL, hunting DSL. Yeah, that was fine. So that is how it works. So it's trading. So if people are really don't know where to and how to manage their money, they really lose them, right? Okay. So since we are providing plan in this product, let's say in future, it gonna literally, if you are doing every losses, let's say continuous losses, it will stop your trade, and it will definitely give you a suggestion of what are the good strategies out there, and ask you to learn that strategy. Because if you keep on losing the trade, what is the use of working with that particular strategy? There is no use. And if you are disciplined, if you are non-disciplined, revenge trading or over trading, it will stop those trading, and they will let you know what you are doing and prevent your losses. So let's say he spent around 3,000 euro in this platform, he might not definitely lose those 27,000 euro on 5 years. I guarantee, because this will help them to guide them to work with psychologically, and also practically with also a strategy based. We also going to research best strategy out there and we're gonna provide into this platform. Okay, so we're gonna also providing educational about like fully on finance. Okay, so it's gonna be definitely help them. Just think, if he invested just 3,000 euro and he would have saved around, not I wouldn't say exactly full money, but you would have at least saved 10,000 euro. I'm definitely damn sure. So this is what we're trying to solve here. Many people's out there just losing their lakhs and crores of money in forex and cryptos and stock market, and we want to solve it by this product. And yeah, I'm literally pitching here. I don't know. So in future, you see we also post signals that automatically you can take a trade, automated trade. Okay. So these signals you can see here, and it is everything was last four signal was passed, and we will keep on posting signals. It will be available on here. So we are also working on, if you get a subscription plan, you will get this signal to get into your account attached. Once the signal was came, if you just put the risk management on your account, let's say on your profile, you're going to take this much lot in this risk, your account will be automatically taken the risk. Copy trading was done. So it's almost everything here. That is what I'm trying to say. Okay, so I want you to guys, who are watching this, okay, whoever watching this, just go search dtradecapital.com xyz, log in. Okay, it's definitely gonna help you. Since I'm waiting for a lot of users, okay, a lot of users, once the users were running into me, I will give you best out of my like best model. I'll give you a best signals and you're gonna get a lot of use. It's totally free, and these resources what I mentioned right now, what you are seeing here, it's totally free, and those news channels, everything is totally free. Only taking over control of your account, okay, and AI analysis, those gonna be a chargeable. Okay. Yeah. So I almost covered. I covered this T trade, so that is fine. Since it was 30 minutes ago. Okay, so we are going to. So in future, we are also planning to improve those, like if possible, adding those indicators. I don't know. Let's see what future holds. Who knows, right? Who knows? Let's see what it goes. And also, I like to show you guys that another thing. Okay. So also, I like to show you that CapCut. Um, Finance. Okay, so it's gonna be definitely help them. Yeah. Okay, So did let me pop out my chat, so if someone was messaged I might not miss that. Okay. If any new subscribers or new users were there, feel free to chat. I'm really excited to talk with people and want to know their ideation and their expectations. So also, guys, if you guys have been ever like it's for editors, okay? So let me check other teams also if there anyone was chatted. I think usually I don't get chat on Kick or in Twitch. Totally like it's totally yes. I just got one viewer. I don't know it's me or it's another person. In Kick, I got one follower. That's really impressive. Just one follower. So here, guys, I saw one trick here. If you guys just go there, let's say settings, you have to like it's for I don't know it's for Indian peoples who use editing softwares who don't have CapCut. Okay, I'll tell you what. So just go for time and date. Okay, time and date. I guess yeah. If you go to here and you will see region. Where is the region? Yeah, language and region. Yeah, language and region. If you go into the language and region, you can see here I mentioned country or region as a United Kingdom. Okay, so usually you guys will be having there just India or Asia or anything, any countries will be there. Okay, or region will be there. Just change it into United Kingdom and go to the Microsoft store. Okay, in United Kingdom you have to go to the Microsoft what I say like yeah store. And what do you do if you just search CapCut? Okay, usually if you have India region, okay, Indian region, and you won't get this CapCut for free, it's not even visible. The CapCut was not even visible. So if you just change the region and close the Microsoft Store and reopen it, and you can able to see that CapCut was totally free. Okay, it takes pretty much time. Let's see, it's visible. Yeah. I don't know why yeah, you can see here I already installed. It's free and there is no like you can use every sources. There is no payment, there is no cracked, and it's original one. Hope people's might be useful. I don't know. I just want to share this. Like editors, editing peoples will be like it's useful for me, right? So anything you guys want to sh- oh. I was literally showing those everything here. Okay, I have to show it here. Right? Sorry guys, sorry. So let's go. So you opened our settings here, and I'm gonna go again. I messed it. So let's see here, and just open this setting. This video I'm gonna cut this and post it as video in YouTube. I don't wanna do another video on editing stuff. Okay. This is how to install CapCut free in your Windows. Go to the data time and region, and this is what I'm talking about. Just change this United Kingdom. Okay, change it to United Kingdom. Either if you have any region, change it to United Kingdom and just open the Microsoft Store. Okay, and then you can just go here and oh, you can go here CapCut and in only, I don't know, in United Kingdom it's for free. Those region, your Microsoft Store will show you the CapCut app. Okay, so use it, might be helpful for editors. So, yeah. So I think I'm gonna end this meet right now. Like it's almost pretty much that's all today. And do we having any good, like I don't see any setups here. Like it's totally I can't see any getting any setups here. Okay, fine. I'm gonna have a dinner. So bye bye. I really miss some of my subscribers. I really miss some of my subscribers. So I used to have them in the early stage of my YouTube. So since my YouTube was not that much, it's not reaching out because it's my problem. I'm not running a live every day, right? I'm not running it every day in my life, and it's pretty boring as well. In my so that's what it is, and that's how I think I can do it. So in future, I try to do it much better because right now I'm not able to have much time to spend on YouTube and social media. Okay, hope for the best, and we'll come up with a good product every day with every update. Okay, and yeah, so have a nice day, have a great week, and we're gonna see you on the next live. Yeah, subscribe. See you. Bye bye.